Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck Outboard. This boat is powered by a white Mercury Verado 300 horsepower. This is naturally aspirated digital throttle shift. This does have the new oil check and fill right on top of the motor. This boat does have sea deck on the swim platform and a big sun pad on the back of the boat. As we enter the boat, it does have a cockpit step for easy boarding. Coming in, easy access to dual batteries and battery switch. L-shaped seating in the cockpit and also seating on the starboard side. This is going to have, the seats are going to move back and forth for entertaining and seating. Flip up bolsters to get you a little higher above the windshield. Over here at the helm, this is going to have the new Simrad glass dash. This is a GPS and also has all of your gauges. It does have the flush mounted fusion stereo system and trim tabs. This boat is yacht certified. Over here on the port side, you've got the head. Coming through, you've got a bow block off door. And up front, you've got plenty of seating with flip down armrest. And this boat also has a windlass anchor option. That concludes our walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.